So hello and as always, welcome to Learn EMG. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual AirPods third generation and if they actually make the same noises that some of you have been telling me about the AirPods Pro. So essentially, the quick and rapid answer is no, okay? So essentially, the actual AirPods third generation do not have the cancellation noise system of the AirPods Pro, and whilst it's normally a disadvantage, it is true that the cancellation noise system is what really has to do with the actual noise some of you have been experiencing. Now, in the sense, it can also be heard with interferences, but essentially the AirPods third generation do have the actually moving stereo, meaning that when you move your head also does the actual sound, but essentially you do not have the actual noise some of you have been experiencing, as they do not have the cancellation noise system, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions regarding the AirPods third generation and the AirPods Pro, these are the second generation, please leave it down here in the comments below, and me or anyone from the Learning MG team will as shortly as possible. And if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And as always, thank you very much for watching.